Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Sociable Savvy. I'm Savvy, a social media manager and coach. Today we're going to discuss the 5 steps to starting social media marketing for your own business. In today's world, social media is one of the most powerful tools for marketing your business, and knowing how to utilize it effectively is crucial to being successful. So whether you're just starting out with social media or you've been doing it for a while, this video is for you. Defining your target audience. The first step to your social media marketing is defining your target audience. If you don't know who your customer is, then it's going to be very difficult to create content that resonates with them. So take time to research and define your target audience. Figure out what's their demographic, their interests, and their behavior patterns. This will allow you to create content specifically tailored to those you want to see it. Choosing your social media platforms is step 2. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, it's time to pick the social media channels that are most relevant to them. For instance, if you're trying to target a millennial, it would be far more effective to use platforms like Instagram and TikTok than using LinkedIn. Each platform has its own strengths and its own weaknesses, so make sure you're choosing a platform that aligns with your company's goals and your target audience. Now that you have a clear understanding of your target audience and social media platforms, it's time to create a content strategy. I have a whole video on creating a content strategy, which I'll link below. This involves determining what kind of content you're going to make, the frequency of your posting, and the tone of your messaging. It's very important that the tone of your messaging aligns with your brand voice and that it's consistent across all of the different social media platforms. Now that you have your content strategy in place, it's time to start building up your social media presence. This involves creating your social media accounts, optimizing your profiles, and making sure you're posting regularly. Building a social media presence does take time, so consistency is key. Make sure you're posting quality content on a regular basis to keep the audience engaged and to keep gaining a following. The final step to starting your social media marketing for your own business is measuring your success. This involves tracking your social media metrics, such as engagement rates, follower growth, and website traffic. Use this data to determine what is working and what is not, and adjust your social media strategy accordingly. This will help you optimize your social media strategy and achieve your business's goals. And there you have it, the 5 steps to starting social media marketing for your own business. Remember, social media is a powerful tool, but it takes time and effort to utilize it effectively. So remember, take the time to research and define your target audience, choose your social media platforms, create a content strategy, build up your social media presence, and track the metrics. By following these steps, you can create a successful social media strategy that helps your business grow. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to see weekly videos on social media or comment below on things that you'd like to see on the channel. I'm also on all of these social media platforms. I can't wait to see you all again next week. Bye!